In this user conference, we have really presented the whole story as an MI story, as an Hexagon manufacturing intelligence story.
The demand has changed towards a more process-oriented simulation.
Most of these concepts that it's really coming up, smart cities, smart construction, smart factories, smart autonomous vehicle, and Hexagon is trying to play a role in all these areas and connecting these various smart concepts and smart engagement through an autonomous connected ecosystem.
The whole idea is to use the most potential of materials for improving structural performance.
Interconnectivity, interoperability between not only our machines and our assets within our facility, also within our IT back-end systems.
Acoustics is very much a physics that is connected with other physics and certainly strongly connected with structure dynamics and fluid dynamics.
If you look at some of the automobile programs, they have multiple stages, and at each stage they spend millions of dollars developing physical prototypes, etc. But now they are able to eliminate one complete physical prototype because they use MSC's products to do those analyses.
Currently, our focus is on Adam's real-time, which helps the autonomous and ADAS market.
We recently manufactured a complete 1.3 liters engine head and engine block, which was sort of unthinkable a few years before.
It's fully customizable. It comes with SDKs. Customers can use functionality that we developed and can take part of that source code and adapt it to their own needs.
Cost engineering is a new field, and I would like to think that FTI has been a big part of redefining cost engineering within the automotive sector.
You talk about any physical behavior which as a user you see onto the product, we test them onto the product before we release it. And that's where we need the softwares like Digimat, which can integrate the composite behavior as it is.
So we're going to have about 18 top three prizes being evaluated by the industry judges. And the first prizes for all the papers, we have taken the original trophy, we have optimized it using the amended software, we have simulated using SumoFact additive product, we finally 3D printed the part, and the first prize is going to get the special trophy.
There were different topics which we heard from the seniors of MSC team, and they are really good, especially the AI technology, AI which is coming in CAE domain for the first time.
It's just great to be able to connect with our customers in this area, meet new people, understand new challenges that are going on here in India, and how our technology can fit in with that.
The healthcare companies, automotive companies, aerospace companies, and the consumer electronics companies who use the MSC products are also the users of our materials. So it makes sense that we are in the same platform.
This is the first time I'm attending. I'm wondering why I not attended last time.